Arriving at our fourth spot is a new arrest warrant against Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder, Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. The Pasig City Regional Trial Court issued this warrant for qualified human trafficking charges. The court said there are enough evidence of human trafficking charges against Kibuloy and 5 other people. Aside from this, Kibuloy has also 2 arrest warrants from the Davao City Court. But unlike these warrants, the one from Pasig City is non-bailable. Authorities are still conducting a manhunt operation against the fugitive Kibuloy.
Ayan na. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, pinag-uusapan natin this past few days, diba, na non-bailable na kaso. Kasi nauna nga yung sa child abuse allegations, sexual abuse allegation. But
sa Davao yung dalawang yun.
Sa Davao yun. Ito, Pasig Court, non-bailable itong ano na to. Pero the lawyers, no, the legal defense, of course, we can expect that na they will try to stop this arrest.
They have according to the lawyer na pakinggan natin sa Storycon yesterday, no? And other shows, not Storycon pala, but other shows as well. Sinasabi lang nila na they have a motion to quash.
Yes.
That they will file. And hopefully, but they gave already their advice to Kibuloy.
Oo, sabi na, suspension of criminal proceedings. Yun. Pero kasi under the rules, I was checking it kanina, suspension of arraignment is only allowed 3 grounds. The accused appears to be suffering from an unsound mental condition. So, number 2, there is a prejudicial question in a petition for review of the resolution of the prosecutor, ayan, pending either at the Justice Department or at the Office of the President. So, yun yung mga maaring dahilan kung po pwedeng suspend yung criminal proceedings.
Yung side ng kampo nila Kibuloy were citing several instances. And kinaklarify nila, hindi daw nagtatago si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. He's likening it to what former Senator Lacson did, na walang tiwala daw at the justice system at that time. Kaya Senator Lacson was evading for quite some time.
And then right now, what we can also talk about at ano ba yung magiging epekto nito, 'di ba? Moving forward. Then also kasi yesterday, last night, si former President Rodrigo Duterte has issued a statement during a parang press conference or isang event doon.
Surprising statement.
Sinabi niya, please leave me out of this, no?
Kasi
About Kibuloy.
The question was parang kung sumuko sa'yo or something like that, di ba?
The question was parang kung, not question, no? Parang parang tinatanong siya kung baka may mga chismis na baka naman daw tinatago lang niya si Kibuloy. So, syempre, ang ating former na Pangulo, di ba, dating Pangulo, sinabi niya, ay, syempre, hindi, baka nga nandiyan lang yan sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ na property, malawak lang yan.
Nakakatawa nga
hindi mo lang yan, hindi nyo lang siya makita.
Natawa nga ako kay PRRD, former President PRRD. Okay, huwag niyo ako idamay dyan. Parang ganun ang dating.
Parang ganun yung dating, leave me out of it. Sabi niya ganun. So, if ever daw sa kanya sumuko si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, hindi daw niya ito tatanggapin. So, as he's actually encouraging the pastor to face the charges, diba? So, that is something new ngayon, kasi nung mga nakaraan during yung Senate hearing na may mga contempt order sa kanya, pinapa-arrest siya. May mga senator na nagtanggol sa kanya.
And before you move on, you have to remember PRRD, aside from being a friend, is the administrator for the properties of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
Properties ng Kingdom.
Yes, that's what I meant.